हम आपके साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल होम टूर वीडियो शेयर कर रहे हैं जो कि इतना प्यारा डिजाइन हुआ है एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक मिस्टर अंकुर एंड मिसेस आकांक्षा एंड लिटिल अयांश for all the great support in entire journey and giving us this best opportunity and being one of the best client we had. So thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and who are watching us for the first time. I am Palaksha, I am an interior designer. We design your dream space in Pan India and हम online consultation भी देते हैं regarding interior designing. You can check all the interior designing tips and tricks on our Instagram channel also. So if you are new, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and follow our Instagram page to know all about interiors. Now, without wasting any more time, let me show you the most amazing house. First of all, जो client का requirement था, they wanted very minimalistic, classy एंड एलिगेंट हाउस एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट थी हमारे लिटिल क्लाइंट आयांश की. सो ही वांटेड अ प्लेफुल रूम. दैट इज द सरप्राइज वी विल रिवील इन बिटवीन. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एंट्रेंस. वंस यू एंटर वी हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल पार्टीशन जहाँ पे आपको फ्लूटेड ग्लास दिखेंगे एंड द एंटायर लिविंग रूम इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बेज एंड गोल्डन हाइलाइटर्स. ऑन योर लेफ्ट वी हैव दिस प्रिटी गुड स्टोरेज जहाँ पे यूटिलिटी भी स्टोर हो जाती है, उनकी डेली लाइफस्टाइल की चीजें भी. देन ऑन योर राइट साइड वी हैव दिस शू रैक विच इज अ स्लैटिंग शू रैक विच इज वेरी कन्वीनियंट टू यूज एंड फॉर सिटिंग पर्पज वी डिड नॉट वांटेड टू वेस्ट एनी स्पेस, तो हमने वहां पे फोल्डिंग लेज भी रखा हुआ है एंड इट इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल.
Hi, I'm Akansha. I was looking for interior for my new in-law homes, and I was not in India. I was finding online, and then through Instagram I found Palak. I started following her. I found her work. She had so many options available. She could design as per your need. Like, I contacted more than 10 designers in Pune, and I found most of them are just carpenters. That was what I had experienced. They just design what is there in the trend, but they can't customize as per your need. When you ask, they say, sorry, it's not possible. But when I contacted Palak, so I suggest everyone who is looking for a perfect home designer, not a contractor, please contact Palak. If you want a perfect home as per your needs and requirements, please go to Palak. And if you are looking for contractors, so there are many in the market. You can choose what's your preferences. She was able to understand my requirement and she could modify the design as per my need. She could adjust whatever I needed and she made my home perfectly fine, which I was looking for, and I'm very satisfied and happy. And now I can say finally I found a designer, not just a contractor.
Now coming to the best area of this living area, that is the puja unit and crockery unit combined. As you can see, the puja unit has this beautiful blind जो आप अगर बंद कर देते हो then you can have the beautiful look, and when you open the puja is there which gives such divine vibe. For the crockery we have used the golden highlighter profile glasses. On the dining we have kept it minimal and elegant. So the TV unit wall is the highlighter wall of this living area जिसको हमने पूरा PU finish में luxurious effect दिया हुआ है and it has the beautiful 3D carving on it. Again we can't forget the golden touch in the profile, and then we have this very comfy sofa. We did not wanted to overdo anything in the living area, so we have kept it very minimal and elegant. that is Ayansh's room. So as you enter in the dreamy world, and you can see the car bed, which is so amazing, and at the same time it is so functional. It has plenty of storage, it has lights inside, and it is very comfortable. So even when the grandparents are coming, they have the bed to themselves. And it is not the only element which is going to give you the wow effect. हमने ये जो पूरा किड्स रूम डिजाइन किया है उसमें लुक, अयांश के थीम, उनके लाइकिंग्स के साथ साथ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो होती है फंक्शनैलिटी फॉर द किड्स, वो भी हमने बहुत अच्छे से इंकॉर्पोरेट किया है. सो एज यू कैन सी वी हैव दिस ह्यूज वार्डरोब ओवर हियर व्हिच इज फ्लोर टू सीलिंग टच. वहाँ पे हमने उनके लिए पूरा प्लेफुलनेस मेंटेन रहे और हमारे घर की कोई और वॉल पे वो स्क्रिबल भी ना करे, उसके लिए पूरा राइटेबल ग्लास दिया हुआ है. एंड उसको हमने प्लेन भी नहीं रखा है बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट वांटेड टू मेक इट बोरिंग फॉर हिम. सो एज यू कैन सी द थीम कंटिन्यूज ऑन द ग्लास के टॉप और बॉटम पार्ट. सेंटर वाला पूरा पोर्शन इज फॉर हिम टू एक्सप्लोर द क्रिएटिविटी ही हैज इन हिज माइंड. एंड because it is a kids room, one most important element is safety of the kid. So हमने यहाँ पे मिरर तो देना था but at the same time एक्सपोज मिरर कहीं नहीं देना था. So what we have done is we have given the small nice rotatable mirror inside the wardrobe which is very useful and at the same time safety is not a concern over here. बेड के साथ हमने स्टोरेज अंदर तो दिया है बेड के बट आगे भी इंजन स्टोरेज भी दिया है. एंड एज यू कैन सी वी हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल headlights which is adding the wow effect, and you can't miss the track which is Ayansh's favorite also and so is mine. So he can play with cars on this track, and then we have the shelf to display the cars, and of course there is a study unit with lots of storage. So as you can see ये रूम का जो साइज है उसका हर एक कॉर्नर वी हैव ट्राइड टू यूटिलाइज इन अ वे कि एज अ किड दे आर सो क्रिएटिव एंड दे वांट टू एक्सप्लोर एंड दे आर सो क्यूरियस दैट वी कांट रिस्ट्रिक्ट द स्पेस. तो इतनी सारी चीजें होने के बाद भी यू कैन सी द फ्लोर स्पेस इज सो ओपन that he can sit down also, do the project work also, play with the cars on the floor also. And the curtain is also the highlighter because we have implemented such beautiful theme on the curtain also. So this is about Ayansh's room. Show you the master bedroom. For master bedroom also we have given this beautiful tone of green, and we have the huge wardrobe. End of the wardrobe we have this open shelf for the daily utility. Then we have this double bed with lots of storage again. On the bed side we have this huge dresser unit, and because client wanted a big surface for working but we did not want it to occupy that space 24/7, so we have added one folding working desk and one fixed working desk, and on the side we have given the storage which is openable from the corner so that from that side you don't see any grooves and shutters. So this is about the master bedroom. let me show you the kitchen. So in kitchen also all the functionality is considered. As you can see, we have this refrigerator. On the side we wanted to give the electronic unit. So we have this rolling shutter where all the electronic units are settled nicely, and it has the tray for the easy movement. After that we have lots of storage, but when you see the site or when you see this video, you will not feel heavy. Why? Because we have not used any loud colors. Second, we have not given any handles. So loft भी हमने पूरा wall to wall दिया हुआ है, so you can't see any plus and minuses where you feel heavy. So this kitchen has lots of storage, but we have given the details जहाँ पे आपको ये heavy look नहीं देगा. This is about this beautiful 2 BHK. Let us know how you like it, and if you want your dream space to design by Palaksha Interior, then you can connect with us on this WhatsApp number or this email address. And again, do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we are coming up with lots and lots of beautiful home tours and informative videos. And also follow us on our Instagram channel, which is Palaksha Interiors. Thank you so much.